You want to talk about tall? At 6 feet 3 inches tall, he holds a world record in the discipline of backflip and freestyle motocross. At the time, it was the longest distance at 140 feet. Coming to us from Butte, Montana, Mr. Keith Sayer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get underway right now with our competition at our first jump. Wait until he was past the apex in Billy Cohut. Wait until he hit that super knack with those legs out in the air position. And Chad Bowman lets go of the motorcycle. Did you see that? Let it go in a holy crap all the way to the backside. Now big. For Bowman and Sayers. Oh man, one-handed heart attack as he comes up there. Got that scorpion position by hooking his feet up in the air. Up high. Same trick that Kohut hit, but he tried to make it look even bigger. Smart guy using that long lean body to hit. Kohut, holy crap! Oh my! He barely got a hold of the motorcycle. One hand to the seat. Of course, he's going to be front and center right here. The 4-time Canadian Trials champion. He also happens to be the 11th-time Superbike champion. Ladies and gentlemen, show off here a little bit, kicking that foot out here. That is a specially designed Circle 300 motorcycle specifically built for trials. And again, trials is typically done on natural obstacles in very complex situations. You can see him using a bunny hop here right now and reposition the motorcycle to try to climb up on top of, well, I guess as close to a natural obstacle as we can get. Up on top. Uh-oh. Now both feet on the pegs. That's the question. He's got himself stuck right here. Had to put that foot down and pulls himself up here. That tiny little mistake of putting that foot down may cost him right there. Oh, but look at this. He's redeeming himself right now. He's got the balance here as he waves that arm, brings that leg out, shows the balance. Now he's got to turn back around, come back down the same way he did. Careful there, mister. You almost came right off of the end here. Back down the other way and into a nose wheelie now. Using that bunny hop and that soft compound tires to reposition the motorcycle. Cross band from the backside here is about 6 feet 8 or 9 inches tall. That's bigger than the bike. He's got to launch himself from the platform up to there, not putting the feet down. It's called the splatter. Let's see how he does. Jordan's so concentrating right now. Up there, good job right there. So, feels pretty good about it. Saw that arm pump come up here now. It's helps to work the back brakes when his feet aren't on the peg. You notice he's modified the tank a little bit because occasionally stronger style on the tank. That ninja type position as he gets himself up to the tank. Remember, his weight all goes to the front side of the bike when he does that. Nice 12 o'clock wheelie as he slides his way down into the air. Had to put that foot down right there. The turn. Into a circle wheelie here. Hold on. You do not, look, just because Jordan's so involved, you don't have to do the same. When you knock it off out here, you can be in the butt. By the way, I should point out, that in that circle, he was using ladder, giving away there to all the folks with the phones. We hope that you'll put it up onto social media and hashtag it the 2017 Edmonton Motorcycle Show. Out there like a rodeo cowboy. He holds it right to the end. Now to a nose wheel. Pivots it back around here. Into a kangaroo and drop that foot down. Stagger position now. Trying to get into this tight circle wheelie. Looks like he's bringing the bar in here. He's got one hand off. Can he get the other hand off? What do you say? Trying to get that idle sit up. Control that turn. Look at this. Latimer, both hands off right now. Greg Latimer. Up here into a headstand. Are you kidding me? Latimer up there in a headstand. That is awesome in that short space this way. Does that what's called a skitch, dropping that foot down, which allows him to turn it here. Foot out to the back. Out there on the outside of the turn. Ralph Louis position on the outside of the turn, throwing his weight against the inside of the circle. Huge trick right there as the judges got to be loving what they're seeing. Now, side saddle, figure 4 style, as he brought himself up figure 4. Awesome trick right there. Kind of hard into it now. As he brings it back around here. That foot down again. He's trying to come out here. got that back wheel. There is some awesome control right here. Man, let me tell you something. You guys aren't only going to see you were at the Ground to Gravity show. You're going to smell that way when you're all covered with that. Right there. Oh, but wasn't flawless enough. He gabbed that foot down a couple of times. Here comes Keith Sayers. Sayers up high. Look at this. Captain Morgan in stereo. But I want you to know the strategy because Nick Jones invented that trick. Very smart strategy from Sayers and Bowman. Up high. Look at this. Double cliffhangers into the jackhammer. With the future of freestyle motocross. 3 years, gentlemen. I don't know how the judges are going to feel about this right here. But let me ask you a question.
Gives everybody away.
Because the judges are going to say that that's not part of freestyle. But you got to love the creativity of these riders. If you want that one to count, let me hear some noise! To try to take the attention away here. Joe trying to find his move. Latimer's at one end or the other. Here comes Frank, being very smart here. Coming into the middle here in the circle. As Joe looking to make this drop down here. But Latimer coming up here. Latimer hits the kickstand. That was a very smart trick right there. Remember, when you're running the trials riders, you want to have control. Be able to manage the motorcycle without putting in foot down. Don't grab the trying to make sure he's that time. As again, Latimer comes into the center, and Zoe waiting for him to move. Zoe taking his time here. That's backfire to that hitchful exhaust. He gets white. Coming back down here. Latimer saying he wants to hear some noise. Wait a minute, what's he got in mind? Oh, look at this! Up into the Turo. He's driving the motorcycle with his foot. Awesome right here, Greg Latimer. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the trick. Oh, he got hit right there. Greg, I got news for you. The time has run out. How many fans of girl power on a motorcycle do we have in the house today?